Now, which of the following best explains why the moon has phases? Would this be letter A, the moon changes shape over time? Letter B, the Earth's shadow covers the moon. Letter C, the moon's position relative to the Earth and sun changes. Or letter D, clouds obscure the moon. No? Natatakpan daw po ng clouds yung ating buwan. No? Which do you think is the right choice here? Bakit daw po may different phases of the moon? Bakit tayo may full moon, new moon, no? May quarter moons? Okay, letter C, ang sinasabing choice ng taong bayan, letter C, and that of course is tumpak, okay? Kasi yung pinaka-explanation dito, habang yung moon ay umiikot sa Earth, no, ay nag-change yung relative position ng tatlo, di ba? So, kaya tayo may different phases of the moon, no? So, let's take a look at our slide, di ba? So, the moon's endless dance, no, sabi dito, as the Earth and moon orbit the sun together, the pattern of day and night constantly changes. Okay? So, we see the percentage of the illumination, yung nakailaw na parte ng moon, tinatawag natin itong phase, no? Phases of the moon. Okay? And here you have the 8 different phases of the moon. No? Mamaya natin pupuntahan yan. No? Meron tayong tinatawag na near side of the moon at far side of the moon.